Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine. So this is your SST teacher Hina, and again I am with my new video, and this will be your video number 3. In previous video over in YouTube I have written video number 3, so that is by mistake, that was video number 2. So this video which I am today I am making this video, that is video number 3. So this video will be related on the topic of monsoon. Okay, so first we will start with the topic monsoon. As you all know that in previous video, the topic was related to summer season, the types of season and the summer season, so that we have already completed. So today we will discuss about monsoon season. Now before starting with monsoon season, monsoon you must be seeing around in your areas. After the end of summer season, which is your hottest season, it starts the next season, which is the arrival of monsoon season. Okay, and here the last month for the you can say summer season is your June. As you know, May and June is the hottest season. So the monsoon season, the arrival of monsoon season starts from the month of June only. Okay, and then it starts continuing in at the end of September. So you should remember it that the starting time of monsoon is June and ends till September. Okay, so in this monsoon season, you can also say as rainy season. Some of their favorite season also must be there. Rainy season, you must be playing in the rains, you must be enjoying also in the rain. So monsoon season is also known as rainy season. Now I'm having one picture to show you all. You can just see it. This is your monsoon season. During the monsoon season, you always carry with yourself your umbrella, then your raincoat. These all things you used to carry. Okay, wherever you go, wherever you travel, or you are going to school only, then you have always in your bag your raincoat or umbrella. So this is your rainy season picture. You can see another picture also I am having. Here also you can see rainy season. Such a beautiful pic it is. Rainy season. You can see it is raining and so greenery and lustrous environment look like. You can see here. Yes, this is the rainy season. As you know that in monsoon what happened, monsoon winds blow from, it starts blowing from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, it starts flowing from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and these are known as monsoon winds. Okay, these monsoon winds are containing moisture. They are moisture bearing winds. As the winds are blowing, then they are containing a lot of moisture, presence of water, and that is the reason the winds which are blowing during monsoon, it's a very cool wind. The winds are very cool and cool breeze winds. Okay, because they are containing moisture in it, water. Okay, now in India we are having sometimes we are having a very heavy rainfall, and due to this heavy rainfall, this season is the favorite season for especially for the farmers. You know, you must be knowing why it is the favorite season for farmers, because during this time only the agriculture depends on rainfall. You must have read in the previous chapters also climatic condition. If there is much amount of rainfall present in their in any place, then the cultivation of crop is also very good. So here the farmers favorite season is your monsoon or your rainy season. They receive heavy rainfall. During this time they receive rainfall, and the development of crops, it becomes you can say in a vigorous mode, in a high speed. Then you can say sometimes what happened, due to less rainfall in some of the areas, they receive very less rainfall, and due to it what happens, that in some of the parts of our country, such as Rajasthan is the most dry place. If they don't receive rainfall, then you can see the land is such in a dry and having a scarcity of water, isn't it? And due to this, what happens? The land becomes drought, very dry place due to absence of rainfall. Okay, that is your drought. And and in some of the regions, what happens, that due to excessive or rainfall, flood comes there. Due to excessive of rainfall, flood comes over there. You can take the example of Mumbai. Whenever this rainy season or monsoon season arrives, then what happens in Mumbai? All the Mumbai is covered with water, whole Mumbai area, and the passing of water there, it is not possible also. Many places are there. So due to excessive rainfall, okay. So and due to excessive rainfall, flood happens. Now here in monsoon season only, what happens? Sometimes cyclone also comes. Cyclone, okay, that is your monsoon wind, very heavy winds. And cyclone, and the winds are also blowing and the rainfall is also happening, then that becomes more dangerous, cyclone. Okay, so this cyclone also majorly comes during rainy season only, during this month. So moving on, what happens in some part of our country, as I have told you, that drought happens, that is your Rajasthan area. Then we can say that okay, so as I was talking about flood, there is one more place that is named as Mauseram. Mauseram, it is in your Meghalaya. Mauseram. It is the place, it is the most wettest place. Means continuously they receive heavy rainfall. Continuously rain happens to be in that place, Mauseram. Previously, Mauseram was said as Chirapunji. Okay, Chirapunji it was named as, but now it is said as Mauseram, and it is in Meghalaya. It is the most wettest place. Okay, and in your book, it is written, this word Mauseram is written in your yellow box. You can see here. This is your yellow box. It is written in here. Page number it is 41. You can just check in page number 41. This is happened to be there. Okay, so this was here about monsoon season. Okay, you can see here also in monsoon season, heavy rain. Some of your favorite season also must be monsoon. You must enjoy the rain, you must play in the rain, you might be playing in the rain. And in some of the places, due to scarcity of rainfall, drought happens. In some areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat, there is less rainfall, so no kind of crops are also grown there. And yes, this was your about monsoon season. Now we will move to our next season, that is your winter season. Okay, so winter season, that you can say it is the coldest season. Okay, it is the coldest season for you. So now we will move to our next topic, that is your winter season. So yes, there is what I was talking about, winter season. Okay, winter season you may also say as it is the coolest season. Okay, here you have to wear all the cool dresses like sweaters, muffler, jacket. And here in eatings, what you have, all the hot things, like soup you like to eat, or you can say all the hot stuffs are there, all the hot food are there, then you like to eat during this season. Like coffee also you must be drinking. So this is your winter season. Here you can see in this picture, in the picture it is showing that children are enjoying this season. Okay, snowfall is happening there. In some parts of our country, snowfall happens, like in hilly areas, cold region, Jammu Kashmir, you can take the example. It looks more, it is covered, the region is covered with snow. And here the children, they enjoy also during some you can say winter season. Now here the winter season, it starts, when does it starts? Can you tell me when does it starts? Okay, winter season begins in November. It begins in the month of November and ends till the month of February. Okay, till the month of February it starts ending, but but winter season starts from the month of November. Okay, now this from the beginning of the winter season, that type of cold is not there during November, but as soon as the time is passing on and on during December and January, it becomes very cooler. The temperature falls down. Sometimes 3 4 degree it comes, 1 degree it comes, isn't it? So it becomes more cooler and cooler. So as here I have shown you, this is the picture here. The area is fully covered with ice. Okay, now here what happens, days are shorter. Yes, days are shorter and the nights are longer. You must be enjoying also. Some of the children must be enjoying that we will get more time to sleep, isn't it? So you must be enjoying that you will get in the early in the morning. What will happen? You will not be getting up for the school. You won't be getting ready for the school early in the morning. That happens to be in summer season. Okay. So yes, in the northern mountains and northern plains, during that region, in that particular region, there is excessive cold, very cold. That part is very cold. Like you can say Himalayas, they are fully covered with snow. And in deserts you can see. Okay, one unique thing during this winter season in one part, in one region, that is your Tamil Nadu. During this time in Tamil Nadu they receive a heavy rainfall. That is a very unique thing. In Tamil Nadu they receive a heavy rainfall during winter season. So that is slightly very unique, and we might just go and travel and just see during that time what happens to be there. Here we are facing in Jharkhand, we are facing such a cold area, and if we visit over there in Tamil Nadu, then it will be a good experience that Tamil Nadu is receiving at this time during November and December. It is receiving heavy rainfall, so that might be some interesting kind of. Okay, so yes, this was about your winter season. So winter season is not much longer like summer season. Here, as I have told you, it starts in the month of November, but in November also very mild cold is there, very mild cold, and it ends till the month of February. Okay, while coming to February, the cold, the winter, it start decreasing on, and the peak point, your winter season peak point is in the month of you can say December and January. It is the peak point of that. Okay, so I hope you must have learned anything from this video. And please watch the video very carefully and just be attentive, and whatever happening in the classes also, please follow the instructions. And yes, half yearly exams is also coming, so whatever the teacher is giving you the instructions, you have to follow it. Okay, okay, thank you, have a good day.